Welcome to the online classes. Now we are discussing the topic of motion in the ninth class. We have to revise in the previous lecture various terminology of the motion, typhoid motion, and after that we have to discuss the term of speed, what is the speed. Now we are discussing the term of velocity. So we have to describe the term velocity. What is the basic definition of the velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. This is the basic definition. It means velocity v is equal to dx over dt. This is the basic formula to velocity. This is velocity vector and this is displacement vector. This is the formula. Because velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. What is the unit? If we are written in the terms of delta v, it means velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. This is the formula, basic formula of the velocity. This is the basic formula of the velocity, displacement upon time. Velocity is a vector quantity and hence we can write dx over dt. This is the differential form where we are using, and velocity is a vector quantity. What is the SI unit of a velocity? The SI unit, the velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. What is the measurement of the displacement? Is meter and time is in second, and this is the SI unit, and the SI unit of velocity is meter per second. And also we can write the velocity is a vector quantity, so we have to remember these two words. Velocity is a vector quantity, and what is the basic formula? What is the basic formula of the velocity and the SI unit of the velocities? After that we are discussing first displacement. Displacement is if any particle is moving in this path. This is the actual path. If a particle moving from here and he goes from here, this is the velocity. Here particle is moving and here this particle is. What is the minimum path traveled by the object? This is the minimum path. Minimum path is this. This is the minimum path. To reach the point of minimum, to reach the point A, and this is a straight line. It means definition of the displacement is minimum path travel by the object is called displacement. Is called displace. This is the basic definition of the displacement, and it is a vector quantity. Vector quantities. SI quantity vector. Your SI unit of the displacement is meter. This is the SI unit, and its direction is from. This is the direction. This is the initial point. This is the initial point, and this is final point. So the initial point to final point, if we are joining these two, the direction is shows in this pattern, and this is a vector quantities.